welcome to my channel. My name is Violet. If you're new here, welcome. I am very happy that you decided to join me. I release new videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so hope to see you back. Today I'm going to be talking about something that was sent to me, alright? This is the Renu Advanced Skincare collection. This is from ASEA or ASEA or ASEA, depending on how you like to pronounce your A's, your S's, and your E's and A's. I am absolutely delighted they sent this collection to me, so let's open it up and see what's inside. My brother got me this really cool Swiss Army knife for Christmas, so we're gonna open it up with this. Out our little knife. There's no going back once it's out of the box. All right, here we go. Let's do this. This is real. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's glowing! Oh dear. Who knows what's in here? Is it? Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so the box is blue. Oops. And it doesn't have a lip. It actually feels like it slides. All right, now it just arrived on my doorstep today and it was like minus 20 Celsius, so I'm hoping nothing froze. Ooh. Oh boy. A very thorough looking collection. They sent me is the Revitalizing Redox Gel, Ultra Replenishing Moisturizer, the Intense Redox Serum, the Gentle Refining Cleanser, the Revitalizing Redox Gel. So it looks like they've sent me 4 different products with duplicates of this one. Got everything packaged in this nice little box. Take you through what each of them look like, all right? So first, we have this Redox Cleanser. So you dispense 2 to 3 pumps and gently massage onto moist skin, and you rinse thoroughly. Use morning and evening for best results. All right? Okay, so this is Gentle Refining Cleanser. Now all these products, I believe, are made in the USA and have been approved as safe, which I think is very important. But just in case, because this is a brand new product I've never tried before, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my inner arm, see if I get any kind of reaction. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, and I'm just gonna rub it in. Feels very cooling, actually. Yeah, no burning, very cooling is how I would describe this. This is a cooling cleanser. All right, it feels good. And it's got a little bit of tackiness on my skin, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem. This is the Revitalizing Redox Gel. You're gonna shake the tube and apply a liberal amount to cleanse skin anywhere on the body twice daily, so you don't wash this off. This is gonna stay on after your skin has been cleaned. So this is step 2 indeed. Step 1 was the cleanser, and step 2 is going to be your gel. Right, again on the inner arms to make sure my skin agrees with everything that's going on here, because you don't wanna have any disagreements with your skin. That wouldn't be good. All right, so it's got this awesome little protector on it, so totally fine. This stuff looks completely fine. All right, actually there's a little bit here. I can just take it. It looks like this. Okay, apply that to my arm. Ooh, feels pretty smooth. Yeah, you can see it's nice and shiny. And if I rub it in, it disappears completely. So far I'm having no reactions on my skin, which is great. Testing everything out on the arm first, and then I will of course test it on my face. Step 3, the next is the serum. Okay, this is what it looks like. Apply sparingly to desired areas and in PM. Avoid contact with eyes and store at room temperature. All right, this is intense. So I'm wondering if this one's optional. So this is what it looks like, blue. I'm gonna put a little bit just right there. Looks pretty good to me. All right, and this is going to be the Ultra Finishing Moisturizer. Applied to face and neck twice daily after the Redox Gel and Intensive Serum. And you can see the clinically tested stars of approval, which always makes me happy. This stuff looks very fancy. Right. Okay. So I will tell you, my arm smells like the beach. Just a very light, kind of breezy, coastal-y, beachy smell. That's what I would say. It smells beachy keen jelly bean. That's what everything looks like on my arms, and I will put it on my face for you and run through the routine as prescribed. I'm getting excited. I just wanted to let you know that this was sent to me by Renew Advanced. I did not pay for it, but I am not being sponsored. I don't have a code. These should be pretty honest opinions, and hopefully they help you make some good buying decisions if that's what you want to do. So let's get some shots of what my skin looks like today, and I'll tell you areas that I would like to see some improvements in, but you know. Okay, so on my clean skin, you can see that the tone is a little bit uneven, and under my eyes does tend to get a little bit dark, all right? And I do have some fine lines in various places, and I think that overall my skin gets very dry, and it's just pretty nice. I like my skin. I don't want to complain too much on it, but there are definitely things that I would like to see some improvement. All right, can we completely make this smooth? I don't think so, because this is what my under eyes have looked like since I was 7 years old. I think it's just the shape of my face, but I wonder, I'm very curious to see what using this system will do. All right, so let's try it today and we'll check back later, I promise. Really feels like treasure. Skincare. Quite a bit of product there. All right, now I'm gonna place it on my face. I'm gonna rub it in, my face and neck, and then I'm going to wash it off. Now I have a big face, so maybe I should have done 3 pumps, but hey, hindsight. Rubbing it in, rubbing it in, rubbing it in. All right, now it's settled onto my skin. It feels very tacky, so I'm gonna go rinse it off. I'll be right back. So my face is now clean, and we're gonna move on to step 2, which was boop, 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 Revitalizing Redox Gel. So we're supposed to use a liberal amount of this anywhere on the body, twice daily. So we're gonna put this on my face now that everything is nice and cleansed. My face, after being cleaned and washed off, feels very fresh, like a daisy. It doesn't feel like there's no oil, there's no residue. Yeah, it's a good cleanser. This cleanser is great. All right, but I'm gonna shake it because I don't want to do this wrong. This is important, you know, for science and, you know, learning. All right, so that's a liberal amount. That's like way more product than I ever use for anything, so. Oh my gosh, it's cold. All right, here we go. On my neck, on my forehead. All right, okay. I used way too much, guys. Don't use that much, please. All right, learn from me. Anywhere on my body. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't want to be wasteful of this very fancy gel. It's going on my arms. My face is completely soaked. Okay, I feel like I just came out of a pool. A very fresh, moisturized pool. Feels like I've been to the beach and I've just come out of the water and it's still on top of my skin. And I'm just rubbing it off. I don't know. Maybe we got the cool DNA shapes on here, so maybe something magical is happening to my skin as we speak. Step 3, intensive redox serum. Use sparingly to desired areas. More concentrated benefits are desired. Okay, so I guess that means like right here and around my eyes. Just a little bit though, because you don't want to overdo it, because this stuff looks pretty serious. Oh my gosh. Wrinkles. Let's put it there. Put it there. Put it there, pal. Oh, I got gel in my nose. Excuse me. My skin feels weird. What is going on here? Okay, I swear. What is in here? What did I just put on my face? It's made in the USA. For use external, don't put in eyes. Don't use if skin's irritated. Skin's not irritated. BioAgility Laboratories. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up because this is really weird. I feel like something is happening and I don't know what, and I'm not sure if that's okay. Huh. Finally, replenishing moisturizer. The whole collection is made in the USA, which I think is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Need some of that. How much was I supposed to use? I just used a little, just like a little bit of tingling on the side of my face, but not on the side. Not sure why, but you know, just gotta figure it out, right? All right, everything's on. And let me be clear, I'm testing this for 30 days unless I see something happening to my skin that frightens me, in which case I will stop testing. I'm really interested to see how this works. You know, I'm 29 and this is kind of a skincare anti-aging solution. Although I don't think my skin is perfect by any means, you might find that your results vary depending on how old you are, the condition of your skin. What I can compare it to is doing nothing at all, which I have done in the past, except of course I've always used sunscreen. So I can compare it to doing nothing but sunscreen, and I can compare it to my Kiehl's experiment and tell you kind of what I think. So this collection that they sent me retails $237, and I think that if it's as good as my Kiehl's collection, it will be worth it. But because this is a new product, I don't know. So far, I'm really interested in the results. I'm quite excited to look into what Bioagilytics is. Redox certified. I mean, we got 5 stars on all these containers, so I'm gonna have to look up that certification and see what it all means. We're certified. We are certified products. Certified to do what? Hopefully improve the look and texture of my skin, and yours too, if that's what you want. So this product is called Renew 28, which means that I think I'll do it for 28 days. That just makes sense for me. So I will check in with you guys on day 29 and tell you what I think. I will not be using my regular skincare routine, so goodbye Kiehl's, you're taking a break. I will just be using the Renew collection, and that way I can give you a good idea of how it works. I will, however, continue to use a SPF moisturizer on top of everything, okay? Because I don't want to get sunburnt, and spring is coming and I'll be outside, and I don't want to have burnt skin that looks super fresh and healthy. I want to have non-burnt skin that looks super fresh and healthy, if that makes sense. Hope you guys are okay with that. If not, well, I'm sorry. This is a cool looking product. I actually quite like the packaging. It's very simple. I have to say the name, Renew 28, Renew Advance. I have notions, I have ideas about this, okay? So Redox Health Revolution with Redox friendly anti-aging ingredients to help your skin be its healthy, beautiful best. Cool, cool. Okay, so I guess we need to figure out what Redox means. 30-minute benefits, more radiant skin. Okay, so this was the serum. You're only supposed to use a tiny bit of this to ease wrinkles and puffiness. I find puffiness is my biggest concern. All right, I have no problem with the washing and toning. It does make my skin feel fresh, so that's cool. Immediate benefits, cool, cool. Removes makeup. I like where this is going. The moisturizer packs hydration, anti-aging actives for a youthful, vibrant appearance. Supports the Redox technology. Okay, all right, cool. So the steps are easy. You clean, repair with the Redox, and you replenish. All right, so the Redox stuff is kind of a big deal. It's a new term for me, you know? 28-day study, okay. Reduce eye wrinkle depth by 21%. Let's just take a look at what Dermatest is. Netherlands, so they test it in the Netherlands, okay. Right here, Batman, the birth of Clayface. Like, is this what happens if you use skincare? I don't know. I have some concerns. Yeah, so some childhood trauma right there. I just quickly wanted to end out this video saying it's very exciting that they sent me this product. But man, February was a rough month for me this year. I turned 29, and a lot of my friends growing up, a lot of people have been trying to sell me on things to improve my hair, things to help me lose weight, things to make me super healthy, and then the lovely folks at Renew 28, at Renew Advanced contacted me and they're like, do you want some beautiful anti-aging skincare? And I'm like, does something happen at midnight when you turn 29? And all of a sudden you've crossed a line and people will start helping you with your aging process. I don't know, guys. All I know is that drinking water and eating healthy and exercising is the best thing you can do for your health. Sunscreen is the best thing you can do for your skin, and sleep is the best thing you can do for circles under your eyes. But if you can add a little icing to the cake and make things a little bit better, I'm totally happy to try it out. Anyways, what do you guys think about skincare? Have any of you tried any cool skincare kits? Have you guys heard of Renew 28? Have you had great experiences, bad experience? I have to say goodbye to my My wonderful Keels. Goodbye, Keels. I'll see you in a month. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, maybe that's too much. What did you guys think? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Oh, this is the life. It's a beautiful life.